All right, hey, I'm standing in Foxwood Manor in LaPlace right now. You can see behind me, here we are 2 days after the storm, still have water there. You can see all of the shingles have been taken off the tops of these houses and still no power here, obviously. Huge impacts. If you turn around and look back over on this side, this is over toward Lake Marpon. You can see all these trees and everything. Huge trees that were just snapped off. This is where you had winds probably in excess of 100 miles an hour in terms of gusts in some of these areas. This was a densely forested area. You couldn't even see beyond about 20 yards into these woods before the hurricane came, and now you can see the power of the storm.